Visiting my friend's house to feed her cat while she's away. This is her cat. I actually have an allergy to cat dander, so being on my lap is not going to last. Oh, interested in my Chick-fil-A bag.
She really was like an angel. She made my father light up again, be happy. After dating and dancing for 4 years, Michael asked Joanne to marry him. He was like, Michelle, I want to go get a ring. He wanted to get engaged and get married again. It was Joanne's birthday, and my dad was nervous, of course. And he goes, I don't know if I can really get down on my knee, but I'm going to try my best.
And here she comes again. Miss Kitty. Miss Kitty. I'll have to be careful not to touch my face till I wash my hands. Got your tail. Got your tail. Oh, what a sweetie. Rubbing on my ankle. Now she's under my other leg. Hey, baby, got your tail.
We are so thrilled to get Michelle. And Joanne joining us now from Michelle's home in New York.
So, kind of missing Moon, which was my daughter's cat for 18 years. So it's nice to come feed my friend's cat a couple of days, visit a little bit each day so the cat doesn't get lonely and miss my friend too much. And I suggest to anybody who agrees to watch somebody's pets or feed somebody's livestock to make sure that you spend a little time playing with somebody's animals too, or at least sitting near them, because it makes them happier, have a better life. Animals get lonely too, even ones that live outside. I know you can't quite get my fingers, can you? So, just a little bit of a different video to post for you today. And you go back and sit at the door? You're going to stay by me. She was sitting at the front door in the sunspot. Yeah, while I'm here, I've got her TV on too, just for noise that she's familiar with. Well, she's got to go sit by the sunshine for a little while. So, thanks for visiting with me. Have fun watching my other videos. Have a good day and walk with the Lord. Yeah, Miss Thing, come on.